If you would rather be playing with a sewer hose than dealing with this snow today, make sure you click like on this video. Make sure you click subscribe too. And if anybody wants to come shovel my driveway, please let me know. Hey, it's Junior with Keystone RV Center. So, question came up on whether this sewer hose actually fits into a bumper. So we have a micro light right here from Flagstaff. We have a Jayco right here. Now, tell you what people tend to do wrong, and I'll set this up for failure. Okay, they'll try to get the points in, and the points aren't lined up in the corners, and they'll go like that. You just rotate it, all four corners. Let's go over here. We got a Catalina. Mark's gonna have to take like twice the amount of steps as me. And I apologize to Steve Holland in advance. He was kind enough to get me a shirt for the Hershey show, and I ended up forgetting to wear it today because I didn't know I was going to be doing a video. So now we got a Salem right there, over here, Catalina. Then, all right, for you watching on Instagram, we're on our second video. For you that are watching on YouTube, just ignore it because we're cutting a bunch together. The video would have been up on Instagram, so if you're not following us on there, you should be. We're going to keep on walking down here. Next thing, because the R-Pod's got a square tube bumper, the Jayco Mini SLXs do. The E-Pro, I was honestly concerned on whether this would fit. I was doubting myself because they utilize an undermount. Fits right in there, guys. All right, there's gonna be a whole bunch more cuts because we're gonna do a couple other ones real quick. All right, so the question was originally on a hemisphere, but he didn't tell me whether it was a Hyperlight, which if I don't get it stuck, fits, and a traditional fits. So we're gonna go play with some fifth wheels next, see if it works in there. All right, Sierra fifth wheel, trying that one next. Yep, Sierra fifth wheel works. Flagstaff fifth wheel. Yep, that one works. And Columbus. Now we've got a bunch of different product lines, guys, but I'm going to be honest at this point. I'm just going to call it this works with pretty much every sewage bumper, or with every bumper in the industry. Guys, this video came about because of your comments down below. So if you haven't subscribed to it to see if your comments are getting answered in additional videos, and you're not commenting, guys, the more you interact with, that probably went right in the microphone. The more you're interacting with us on the YouTube channel, the better YouTube channel we can make for you guys. So please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload videos like this for you guys. Have a great day from Keystone RV Center.